Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy, and now go to Biometrics. Here click on Fingerprints, draw your unlock pattern if you already have one, and if you don't, you will have to provide a new one, and then click on plus icon to add a fingerprint. As you can see, the scanner is located at the power button over here, so smoothly place your fingerprint here and keep tapping till it's fully added. So you can observe the progress on your screen. And that's it, click on done, and as you can see from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.